Hi everyone and welcome back to Crafts with Mike. We're going to chuck a spanner in the works here because we're going to do something a little bit different on the channel here. We're going to be doing a wooden model, if you like. Now I saw this, I was introduced to this not by the works but a guy from the group called Gross Models. It's a Facebook group on Facebook. And there was a guy in there that posted something like this, and I was like, OMG, where did you get that from? I can't remember the chap's name, but he told me where to get it from, and it was from the works. So I had a little Google on the works, see if I could find it, and voila, I found it. And I got a massive saving, $12.99, and I got it for £7. So I think $12.99 is a little bit steep, so I wanted to get it while it was on offer. And yeah, so what this is it's called Stag Patronus. It's a book and a 3D model kit, and what happens here is you've got a Patronus charm guidebook, you've got an easy to assemble laser cut wood pieces, step-by-step instructions, colouring and crafting ideas. And on the back here you can get all of them. As you can see, it's punch out, you build it, the colour, we can apply some colour to it, bits and bobs, no glue or tools needed, and fun to create. Now in here, I thought, oh my god, it's just the book, but you've got a book and the piece as well, we'll get to that in shortly. But you can collect them all. You've got Dobby, the Niffler, the Golden Snitch, that fire-breathing bird, the orange bird, can't remember his name, Hawks, is it? No, Forks, there we go. And then you've got Armageddon, I don't know what his name is, not Armageddon, what's his name? I can't remember his name. Oh man, it's something A. But you know that giant spider? But anyway, so if you want to get these, unfortunately they don't do any others apart from this one with works. But with this one, you can probably get them from this website here called www.incrediblebuilds.com. So in here, we've got our book, and I thought, oh my god, where's the thing? And it's actually tucked under there. So we'll take a look at that in a bit. But let's take a look at this gorgeous book. Really, really lovely. That would make a beautiful diamond painting. And this is Harry Potter Stag Patronus. As some of you know, I'm a massive fan of Harry Potter. And this is a behind-the-scenes look at the Patronus charm on the film by Jodie Revenson. And lovely metallic sort of paper there. Really, really gorgeous. And as you can see in here, it's just behind the scenes. It's a lovely little sort of storybook here. Of all the different stuff in there. Oh, that's gorgeous. Oh wow, that's beautiful. And then obviously behind the scenes, Harry's like attached to the wall, and as you can see, he's on like a little rig section here that connects to the wall. So yeah, really, really good. And it's a lovely book. This is gorgeous. So not only are you building we've actually got we've got a pub over here called the Boar's Head or something like that. But not only are you getting a lovely book, you are also getting to build yourself something as well. Potential Patronuses, a nice little wolf there. And is that Imelda Staunton or is it the other one, Amelia Siri? I always get them mixed up. So a demon there, another demon. But yeah, make it your own. And obviously, as you can see, you can put little details on it as well. But that is that. And let's take a look at what we've got in this lovely pack. So let's take this off. We've got this over. Oh, yeah, looky. Oh, this is lovely. Look at that. Oh, wow. Okay, so in here we've got Stag Patronus built-in instructions. So obviously in here it's pretty basic. But what I plan to do, as you can see, these are all the cardboard cutout sections. I can see this being done pretty quick. It's quite small. The circumference of this looks pretty small, a nice decent size, not too big, not too small. But there you the wooden block things. And obviously we've got sections here. The blue replicates one piece, and then the beige replicates the bit it's going into. I think it shouldn't take too long, but what I'm going to do is, because it's like a crafting thing, I'm going to break it down into sections. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 6, and then 7. So 7 weeks, and this should be done. It just gives us something to work on, and I will be on the hunt for, if I can find them other ones like the Golden Snitch, the Niffler and stuff like that. But yeah, if you like what you see, this is a little project that came from the works. It's a really, really gorgeous project, and I was like, oh my god, I need to get that, but I just didn't want to pay £12.99. It's not worth it in my opinion. £7 I'm comfortable with, but I'm just so pleased they still had it in stock. I added it to my wish list, and it's been on there for quite some time, and when the price is right, I'll buy it. And I just think that was a really, really good thing, and a lovely ornament for Christmas time. But yeah, if you want to get this, it's from the works. I'll put the link in the description below the video. Please remember to like, share, subscribe, tap the bell if you want to be notified of all the videos I do. I'll see you next time. Bye.